I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so you can act immediately. Plug the Xbox controller into a USB 2.0/3. 0 port and check Windows Update and the Xbox Accessories app for firmware. This fixes timing mismatches. Once done, quit overlays and high-bandwidth apps like cloud backups and game recorders to remove CPU and USB contention. Make sure Wi-Fi or Bluetooth radios aren't aggressively scanning. Disabling them briefly isolates the issue and proves whether wired input solves later. Next, you'll address drivers, USB behavior, and power policies because these often cause intermittent lag. Open Device Manager, uninstall the Xbox controller device, and scan for hardware changes to force a clean driver install. Then, in Power Options, disable USB Selective Suspend and set the plan to high performance so the controller and ports aren't throttled. Finally, move the cable to a rear motherboard USB port or a powered hub. Front ports and passive hubs can introduce additional latency. For wireless, choose the Xbox wireless adapter when possible and keep it within 1-2 meters, or use a Bluetooth 5 or newer radio for lower latency. Avoid USB extenders between adapter and PC. Once done, reduce in-game input buffering and close apps that pull controllers frequently, which creates conflicts. If lag still occurs, plug the controller into a different PC or try a different controller to determine if the problem is controller hardware, PC USB stack, or drivers. This isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.